Join us in our fitness journey day 1.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today is our fitness day. Yeah, I'm with my fitness coach. Oh, super fit. Jessica Naria. Super fit. 6 a.m. na guys. Umusawot 5 a.m. Amot na lang Jod. Jessa. But anyway, join us in our fitness journey day 1. Nahulugan ko. Ano to siya? Bunga sa akas siya. Naiwan niya ako guys. Hindi ko consistent unless na ay mag-invite ako, and that's only Jessa. So it's up to her. Saya ako mag-rely sa akong fitness. And after this, after sa mo ang jogging, mag-Zumba May sa Robinson. And after that, we're going to swim na sa Petra. Grabe no, naging giving activities today. Oh, gano'n ka sa itong ano?
Lighting.
Yes.
Glass skin.
Dry skin.
Nagsinaw-sinaw ako dara. Oy, glass jud.
Dry skin lang ko guys.
Dili ni glass skin kayo. Oily skin. Sige, mag-start na ko.
Okay, let's start.
GPS.
So, nag-walking ba lang but later mag-jogging na
Pagbawas
Oo. Pero hindi ko mabigla guys. Kaya dugay na kayo kung walay jogging-jogging.
Sige, start. Ano ko dress na?
Let's go!
One, two, three, go, 5, 6,
So finally, yeah, we're finally done sa among jogging and Zumba na,
I
yeah.
feel so pretty here. Kay,
Oh, Miss Tisa man siya, oy. Nag-red man na siya, oy. O, dali, tapat-taplin.
Para makita kang beauty.
Na?
Ayun!
Ayan.
Daw.
Miss Tisa yarn. Paulo man ta, oy. Anyway, so guys, that's it. Tapos namin sa mong jogging and Zumba tamad version. Ako ang gidamad kay wala kayo ko'y tulog. So wala ko'y power, wala ko'y energy. And after this, we're going to Petra for our swimming activity. Yeah, so see you later. Bye.
Go. Okay, sige daw. 1, 2, 3, go na. Wala ka na ako.
Ay, okay. Oh, dito.
Nakapuya, magbukod. Hoy, against the light, arises. Kamu. Dala. Ihati. Uy.
Kapwa.
Or mag-shock kang?